Talk about being here tonight.
Well, you know, I knew Wayne from this show, this theater piece that I directed in Sydney, and at that point, he was sort of in the early stages of developing this, and we talked about it a lot. And I think when I left Australia, I was wondering, you know, is he going to be able to pull this off? Because it was a very ambitious piece, really fascinating, but ambitious, especially for a first film. And so when I found out that, first of all, that it had been done, and then I found out because I started reading reviews of the movie that were all really positive, and I thought, oh my God, this thing that we were talking about a year and a half ago is finished. I couldn't believe it, because as we know, people talk about a lot, about what they want to do, and that he went out and got it done is really, and now look, you know, that he's had the response that he's had. I mean, the reviews that came out of Cannes were fantastic, so.